Good noon to one and all. I, Sonali Tyagi, Assistant Dean Academics, CPJ College. I welcome you all to the CPJ National Moot Court Competition 2025 in collaboration with National Human Rights Commission. So today we are honored with the presence of Shri Murari Tiwari sir, ex-chairman of Bar Council of Delhi. Sir, a very warm welcome to you.
Thank you.
So sir, I would like to know how do such competitions help in bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and real world expertise?
First of all, thank you for inviting me today. And the moment I came to know that this program is in collaboration with the Human Rights Commission, so I was very happy to note that. And the reason is that in case any law graduate is completing his law, then that law graduate must know about the importance of human rights.
Right.
Knowing about human rights is very sensitive and important issue, with the reason that there are many situations when law is not applicable or the people are not able to enforce their rights. So in those conditions, when we make representation to Human Rights Commission, then the Human Rights Commission, they intervene, then they refer the matter to the concerned police authorities. So it is very necessary for a law graduate to understand about the human rights, that how he should deal with the human rights.
Right, sir. So, sir, in a way, do you think institutes like CPJ and NHRC play a very important role in nurturing future advocates for justice and right?
I have been coming to CPJ on many occasions, almost in all moot courts and functions, and I really appreciate the dedication and the topics which CPJ always choose to get apprised to the students about, client counseling, and I attended many programs. This program is like Human Rights Commissions. In this program also the people will talk about human rights. At least the students will come to know about it.
Right.
So what touched me about CPJ, that lot of topics are very important for a law graduate, and I believe that the other law colleges are missing this and they should copy from CPJ. That will be more appropriate.
So, sir, in a way, I guess this is a good initiative on the part of CPJ College to conduct such moot court competitions.
Yes, I really appreciate. I told you, I'm reiterating again that it is a very good move, and the CPJ should keep on organizing such events, and the students day by day which are coming, and many students come for the enrollment in Bar Council, where I have been there for last 22 years. So I noticed the growth, I noticed the elevation in the standard of knowledge of CPJ Law College. Many students from here, they are interning in my firm like Murari Tiwari and Associate. So I have noticed the change. I have noticed the quality of difference in the knowledge standard and everything.
Right, sir. So, sir, what message would you like to convey to our participants and students as they continue their legal journey?
I'll request them to be sincere whenever any moot is organized like this, and I'll convey to the public at large that in case their son or daughter is interested to join law, then they must avail the opportunity to approach CPJ also at the time of admission.
Right.
And they should have the guarantee that CPJ will produce a very good and efficient law graduate.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us and sharing your expertise and valuable time with us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.